Let's make another fall Peekaboo tumbler. These leaf shapes I cut out in removable vinyl with my silhouette. The glitter underneath is already nice and smooth under coats of Hyperion. That is important to make sure your cup is smooth before you do the Peekaboo part. And as always, I like to go over the decals with just a real thin layer of Hyperion to seal the edges so no paint seeps underneath. I'm using a few of our Aurora 3-in-1 paints. I'm using Deep Blue Sea and Tangerine. My goal is to get to a navy blue, and I was kind of told to use these two colors to get there. As you can see, it's kind of turning like a greenish color, so now I'm kind of throwing in some blue pigment and a little bit of black pigment too to darken it. I really want like a true navy blue color, and I just kept kind of messing with it and adding a little bit, and you can see that we are getting there. These paints are amazing. They are water-based, non-toxic. You can use them indoors. They dry quickly. You can also use a heat gun or a hair dryer to speed up the drying process. We've got 34 different colors of paint, and they also have 6 different colors of pigments, so you can use the paint standalone or mix them together or with the pigments like I did to make this color, to virtually make any color that you want. I did do 2 coats of paint, let it dry, and now it's time to pull those decals back up, and I absolutely love the color of the glitter with the paint color. Next, I'll add a few coats of Hyperion, and then it will be ready to do the outlines with the veining of the leaves. I'm going to do that in a really pretty rose gold textured vinyl, so stay tuned. I've done about 3 coats of Hyperion, and I gave the tumbler a good sand. It's not 100% smooth, but it is smooth enough to start adding these decals. I cut the outlines for the leaves in a textured vinyl in a rose gold color, and it's absolutely gorgeous with the glitter here. This part I'm going to speed up. You can get your textured vinyl. It is made by Tech Wrap from Gets Crafty, and you can use my code BCM. The nice thing about the textured vinyl is that it does have some structure to it, so instead of weeding all those little pieces out of the leaves, I'm actually just pulling the outlines off of the backing and using my tweezers to apply them to the shapes. Last but not least, I'll apply my UVDTF tumbler care instructions. We do print these in-house here at Better Call Mall. You can order them with either black or white text. And to finish this tumbler up, it's just going to need several coats of Hyperion to get that glossy glass-like shine, completely covering those decals I just applied. I coat my tumbler every 2 hours, and every 3 layers I sand until I get this gorgeous, beautiful glass-like shine. If you have any questions about Hyperion or anything you saw in this tutorial, please let me know, and thank you so much for watching.